In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Wi-Fi option not showing in Windows 11. If this guide helps you, consider subscribing and giving the video a like. When the Wi-Fi option disappears, you won't be able to connect to a wireless network, which means you won't have internet access. Fortunately, there are several methods you can try to restore it. Let's start with the first fix. Open the search bar from the taskbar and type Device Manager, then open it. In the Device Manager window, expand Network Adapters by clicking the arrow next to it. Look through the list for your Wi-Fi adapter. If you see multiple network adapters, that's normal. Make sure each one is enabled. If an adapter is disabled, it will have a small gray icon. Right-click it and select Enable Device. Once you've enabled the adapter, check whether the Wi-Fi icon has returned. If it has, your problem is solved. If the Wi-Fi option is still missing, go back to Device Manager, right-click your Wi-Fi adapter, and select Update Driver. Choose the option to search automatically for drivers. If Windows finds an updated driver, install it and then check if the Wi-Fi option is back. If that doesn't work, open the Settings app. Select Network and Internet, then scroll down and click Advanced Network Settings. Under More Settings, choose Network Reset. A network reset reinstalls all of your network adapters and restores your network settings to their default state, which can often fix issues causing the Wi-Fi option to disappear. Click Reset Now, confirm the reset, and allow your computer to restart. Once Windows starts up again, the network reset will be complete and your Wi-Fi option should hopefully be available again.